have Malvika with me. When you got your first offer from Telugu cinema, and would you like to share that sweet memory?
Ravi Teja sir, Neela ticket, and I thought they are gonna take some auditions or something, but they did nothing.
Ravi Teja sir offer you food or helping you with some of the sentence you learn one.
Such a sweetheart, I kid you not. Among all the actors I have worked with, I think Ravi sir.
Favorite movie or his dialogue you would like to say?
Dialogue, but he's a huge Amitabh Bachchan fan of my favorite actor, who's Shah Rukh Khan. Dawn ko pakadna mushkil hi nahi hai. Namumkin.
Do you remember the first salary when we get? We love that salary, and what you bought it?
First check आया था, I still remember. I kept it in the temple, like घर का temple, and after that.
Telugu industry, an actor you're looking forward to work?
Because I want to work with Mahesh Babu sir, I want to work with Allu Arjun sir, I want to work with Ram Charan sir, I want to work with Junior India sir.
So next. Welcome to my show Trendsetters, and today I have Malvika with me, who's actually doing great shopping and looking so pretty in her new sari look. Well, I loved your sari look. You're looking so pretty.
Thank you so much.
Exactly. Are you a sari lover?
I am actually, like my last two films, because I was wearing sari throughout, so eventually I started loving saris, and yeah, now I wear sari all the time.
So, mostly nowadays what happens when saris comes, you always think, "Arey yaar, ye sab ready karna padega," and so you go with all these types of things goes in your mind?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, because a lot of my friends are also getting married, so I'm not a lehenga person, so I love wearing saris. So then I'll pick some nice saris, I'll look at the new collection of the saris. So हाँ, वो तो होता ही है first.
Do you remember when you wear your first sari?
I did. I do remember. I wore it in my school on Teachers' Day one.
We do that, right?
And second was farewell.
That's true. That's true. I must say. So you are promoting a sari. I mean, what the fashion exactly means for you? People always make their statement with their fashion. So what kind of style, fashion you define yourself?
I think it differs from person to person, and it's a very personal thing for me. Like, for suppose there are a lot of things which my stylist would like and I wouldn't. Like this look, I have set it for myself because I liked it, and and the stylist would like something else. So I think I just kind of figuring out what works for me and what doesn't, and I'll look at the pictures and I'm like, oh yeah, you know what, this doesn't suit me, or this color looks nice on me. So yeah, I'm just figuring.
So when you're not working, what kind of wearing a pajama, kurta, what makes you free?
If I'm not working, if you'll see me, you'll feel that there's some homeless person walking around, because I am literally wearing my cousin's clothes. Like, I'll wear the shorts and pajamas and tracks and very loose t-shirt. And because I have curly hair, so anyways curly hair people, I feel they.
Right.
I look homeless, at least. I don't know about others, but I look homeless.
But your fans, especially Telugu fans, they are missing you. How the things are going on the industry side?
I mean, 2 of my films just released in last 3-4 months. So yeah, I mean, hopefully a lot of projects are coming.
But you still remember your first day. We want to share that, when you got your first offer from Telugu cinema, and you were just thinking, oh, who will be the hero? How I'm going to talk to my team, the language barrier. What was that point? And would you like to share that sweet memory on the first day?
For sure. My first film is with Ravi Teja sir, Neela ticket, and I got a DM from Neerja Kona, the stylist of that film, and she was like, we are doing this film and we really like your profile, so would you like to come and meet us? I was like, okay, sure. And I flew to Hyderabad, and the director narrated me the story, and I thought they are going to take some auditions or something, but they did nothing. They were like, no, we don't want any auditions or look test. I am just here narrating you the story. If you say yes, you are in. So I said yes immediately, and immediately we got done with the agreement. So that's what happened. And
did you remember? I mean, you know that Ravi Teja was such a big star that time.
Yeah, so I couldn't believe it. And when I went on set, I was very scared. I was like, if I don't do my work properly, they are gonna kick me out of the film. So I was like very serious, very obedient throughout.
Do you remember the moment like Ravi Teja sir offer you food, or helping you with some of the sentence you learn one?
Sweetheart, he's such a sweetheart. I kid you not. Among all the actors I have worked with, I think Ravi sir definitely is the sweetest person. Like he would help me out so much, and I'm genuinely lucky that in my first, like in my debut film, I got to work with him because I got to learn a lot from him, and especially a person like him, he's such a sweetheart.
So you see his Hindi movies or his favorite dialogue you would like to, because if you're watching the interview or Insta, now the news flows like this. So what was your favorite movie or his dialogue you would like to say?
I don't know about dialogue, but he's a huge Amitabh Bachchan fan.
Okay.
So, I mean, yeah, you know, right? He's a huge Amitabh Bachchan
Yeah.
fan. So, yeah, definitely some of the Amitabh Bachchan dialogues I would like to say.
Please,
But I don't,
please, go ahead.
no, but then I don't remember much. I remember us giving an interview where he said a dialogue of Amitabh Bachchan, and I said of my favorite actor was Shah Rukh Khan.
Okay.
So, I literally told the entire monologue, but I can say of Shah Rukh Khan.
Okay.
Dawn ko pakadna mushkil hi nahi hai.
Namumkin hai. Very good, I must say. So what's happening on the Bollywood side, Hindi projects? How is it exciting you?
I'm actually working in Hindi right now, and I think ऐसा लग रहा है बहुत टाइम बाद घर आई हूँ.
Oh yeah, Hyderabad is the home, right?
Yeah, मतलब definitely ऐसा लग रहा है अभी यहाँ पे आने के बाद कि now that I've started working in Bollywood now,
Yeah.
and अभी यहाँ पे आके ऐसा अलग shift, अलग
Yes,
energy लग रही है. So हाँ, ये तो है.
Do you have your fan moment with anybody? Like, you just was not imagined, okay, I'm going to have my fan moment of my life. Do you just share that moment with
Fan
us?
moment.
Yeah. Suddenly you met that person and your fan moment got fulfilled.
Honestly, ऐसा नहीं हुआ. I think when I meet Shah Rukh Khan, that's gonna happen.
I
Like,
met 6 times.
हाँ, I'm like,
I met him
oh,
6 times.
I'm
I
so
interviewed
jealous.
him. So okay. इधर मेरा पल्ला भारी है. So that's your fan moment.
That's gonna be my fan
So what's your first movie you loved about, like your favorite movies?
फेवरेट मूवीज सो मैं तो हैरी पॉटर के जनरेशन से आती हूँ, तो आई लव हैरी पॉटर मूवीज. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आई लाइक दिल तो पागल है, कुछ कुछ होता है, DDLJ. आई एम ह्यूज शाहरुख फैन.
So I think when I just wanted to imagine if you get a role with Shah Rukh, how was your night? You're not going to eat, sleep or what?
No, so you know what happened when I was studying in college at that time, I got a call for an ad with Shah Rukh sir, and
Oh.
I had exam the other day.
Shit.
So I couldn't do that ad, and I was crying. I was like, I don't want to go for my exam. I
So
want to
that's
go
a
and meet
big
Shah Rukh.
opportunity you missed, because, but he'll be happy to know that because he gives importance to the education.
Yeah.
So while we coming back to Hyderabad, have you tried the food? I mean, tasting the Hyderabadi food. People must be asking you this so many times.
I'm vegetarian and I'm also vegan. So
Oh.
for me, there are very less options, but Hyderabadi food is amazing.
Yeah.
At least for the ones who can
We
eat.
have veg kebabs, veg biryanis.
Really, I have not tried it.
Okay.
I have not tried.
I'm a vegetarian, but you
Oh,
can
you
try.
are?
Yeah, I'm a
Achha,
vegetarian.
so but then I eat like idli dosas. Like today I had in the morning I had rava dosa.
Okay.
So I like dosas, idlis, and upma and everything.
So, would you like to share your incidents, like a good moment with your co-stars? There's so many stars are coming in the pan-India way.
Yeah.
How you see that perception? Especially
My-
Telugu stars are also coming in a pan-India way. How you take that?
Honestly, I think ये जो पैन इंडिया वर्ड है लाइक तेलुगु इंडस्ट्री में, आई फील कि आई प्रेफर वॉचिंग लाइक तेलुगु फिल्म्स इन तेलुगु लैंग्वेज. मुझे नहीं शायद चाहिए होगा कि मैं वो हिंदी में देखूँ, एंड इट्स नथिंग लाइक पैन इंडिया एनीमोर. लाइक एवरी थिंग सब देख रहे हैं, सारी मूवीज सब देख रहे हैं, तो आई डोंट रियली think it as a
Yeah.
pan India wala thing. I think the content really matters, and the content is good, then koi bhi language ho,
And
log
you
dekhenge.
learn some of the words. Your fans will be coming, hello, hi, and So how you interact with your Telugu fans? Some words have you learned for your Telugu fans?
I have learned a couple of words, but I don't know what words to say.
Something
now.
for your fans you can say.
I don't know. You tell me. You tell me. I'll
బాగున్నారండి
repeat.
బాగున్నారండి
బాగున్నారండి.
ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
అందరికీ నమస్కారం.
See, you are a great woman, man, I must say. So I must say one very good question that coming into my mind. You are started earning at early age, or as your passion. Do you remember the first salary when we get? We love that salary, and what you bought it for whom?
Wow, actually मेरा जो फर्स्ट चेक आया था, I still remember I kept it in the temple, like घर का
Wow,
temple,
okay.
because that's what we do if we get like our first check,
Uh-huh.
first whatever, and after that I have paid my fees. for sure.
Wow.
Like my classes fees for law and from the second check मैंने बहुत shopping की. So मुझे उस time पे ऐसा था कि I'm gonna sound very middle class right now.
No,
but
it's
still,
good. I'm
मुझे ऐसा था
impressed.
कि मुझे first time life में बिना price tag देखे कपड़े खरीदने थे.
Wow.
Like I'm like मुझे वो नहीं देखना कि ये
कितने
sale
का है,
पे है.
bargain, we have to do
हाँ,
bargaining.
वो सब नहीं करना था. I was like मुझे बस enter करना है and I just want to pick everything without seeing the price tag and I did that with my second check. So I was very happy कि मैं वो कर
And
पाई.
you paid fees for your law.
हाँ, मेरी तो पूरी लॉ एजुकेशन मैंने
I
ही
know.
pay किया.
So I must say, a lawyer converted into a glamorous, great actress. I
But
mean,
I'm
that's
still
always.
studying. I'm doing a master's right now.
So I mean, you wanted to be a lawyer also. I think that's
Yeah.
how it works, because being into law, it's a very professional, serious profession. And then when coming to the glamour, how you balance both the things, yeah?
But being an actor is also very serious.
Very
though.
serious, yeah. That's what I'm saying. How?
No, but then I feel that right now I'm doing a master's and everything, and after a certain age, whatever, I don't know, after 45 or whenever I feel like now I want to start practicing, that's when I'm going to start practicing. But until then, I'm going to complete my master's and PhD and everything.
So I think meanwhile, if you get a role of a lawyer to
Yeah,
play on the
that
movie,
would
that
be
will be
really
great.
great.
You'll do the justice, I
Yes,
think.
for sure.
Okay, so we'll just end up with a small rapid fire. One line you have to say. Allu Arjun.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Star.
Junior NTR.
Junior NTR, sir, amazing dancer.
Mahesh Babu.
Mahesh Babu, sir, very cute.
Rajnikant.
Legend.
Charanjeevi.
Again, amazing.
Ram
star.
Charan.
Ram Charan, sir. What is? I think I've said a lot of words now.
No
He's
one.
also a very good actor.
Prabhas.
Prabhas is again an amazing actor and he's a sweetheart.
Vijay Deverakonda.
Vijay Deverakonda, good looking.
And your favorite, Ravi Teja sir, your first
Ravi
actor.
Teja, sir, for sure has to be a very, very, very good human.
So one message for your fans and one message for yourself.
One message for your fans. Thank you so much for all the love and affection that you guys have given me throughout, and please keep them coming. Please मुझे बहुत सारा प्यार देते रहो.
And Telugu movies are coming up. Any projects you are looking forward? We can see you and catch you. Good, good news for the Telugu fans.
अभी तो फिलहाल I'm working in Hindi and Tamil, but hopefully आपके प्यार से मैं फिर से तेलुगु में कुछ और
Do you have a
project
dream?
करूँगी.
Any dream to fulfill in your Telugu industry? An actor you're looking forward to work?
I want to work with a lot of actors. I want to work with Mahesh Babu sir. I want to work with Allu Arjun sir. I want to work with Ram Charan sir. I want to work with Junior NTR sir.
So
Prabhas
next
sir,
interview
everyone.
will be like whenever you're doing the movie, we'll do the next interview with
Yes,
you.
done.
Chalo, all wishes come true. Thank you
you.
so much talking to us, Malika. Thank you so much. That was an interesting interview, fun interview. I enjoyed it. So for more updates, keep watching iDream. Till then, goodbye.